Hey guys, today I will be, not unboxing, but reviewing and checking out this awesome camera bag. Now, right on front, it's super minimalist with that nice orange accent zipper. My bag is in this sleek black color, and honestly, that black and orange combo looks so classy. So, this is the front pocket. And now onto the back, we've got this handy carrying handle. And there's also strap hooks here that you can attach to shoulder straps. We'll get to that in a bit. There's even a slip pocket at the back, perfect for sliding in something for quick and easy access. Now let's open up the main compartment from the back. Inside, you get the included shoulder straps and surprise, surprise, look at this. The inside is fully compartmented. And the coolest part, these compartments can be adjusted and moved around however you like. You can pull them all out and rearrange them to fit your camera setup. I love that. It's super innovative and practical. And if you don't want to open it from the back, no problem. You can just unzip it from the top and grab your camera on the go. There's also a mesh pocket on the flap for extra accessories or cables. Now, let's check out the straps. They're a good length and feel sturdy, and the hooks are of high quality too. They snap on easy and look great. Alright, now let me show you how I packed this bag using my camera and my setup. At first, the compartments weren't fitting perfectly for my setup, so I just removed them and rearranged everything. I put my camera in right in the center and added the dividers around it so it cradled nicely, and tucked my charger and lens cap in the corners. Everything is padded and snug. Nothing is moving around, nothing is bumping into each other. And when you zip it up, it's super secure. And the best part? If you're walking and suddenly spot a bird or something cool that you want to take a picture of, you can just open it up, grab your camera, snap that picture, and zip it back up. Easy peasy. I highly recommend this camera bag. It's versatile, convenient, and the fact that you can access the camera in multiple ways is just genius. I love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.